November the 22nd, and Bobcat problem starting. We've turned the switch on, nada. That means nothing. And we're gonna wait. Well, I guess I've been 23, 24, 30 seconds. And see what happens if I try to turn the key. And it starts, but still nothing there. And that's blinking. Oh, and it went off in 10 seconds. So we're going to turn it off and see what happens now. Oh, won't start. Oh, now it starts. Sometimes the lights go on when it turns itself off. The blower's working. It's still working. Okay, third attempt. Turn it off. Let it set a little bit. I hear clicking. And we get lights this time. But no error messages.